And it's plain batter. And then we're going to use a scoop to put one ladle in, like so. And then you swish it around. And you pretend it's pancake day. And when the batter is all spread out, like so, there, put it on there, wait for it to cook on high. Okay. Wait for it to go bubble, bubble, bubble. Honestly, I really want to learn how to make. This is the most delicious omelette ever. You post करोगे ना?
Next thing.
Yeah, you gotta post these things.
And oh my lord, this is a paratha that I could never make. They're so delicious.
And that's a pancake that everyone can make.